Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Rust not launching or opening when you just want to play the game. Okay, you just want to play the game but it's not launching, it's not opening, it's even crashing. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. So please follow along with me and try everything I'm going to show you in this video. Every method, every step, please follow. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing, let's head over to device manager, and here make sure you display adapters, make sure you update your graphic card update driver and see there's any available drivers. You can also head over to Windows Update. You're not updating your Windows, that's not what I'm asking you to do, is to head over to advanced options and then optional updates, and then here you should see a lot of updates, a huge list of updates available to download and install. Make sure you click all of them and click on download and install. If that didn't work and you still have this problem, but also actually I've just make sure you, after you trial the methods, make sure you restart your computer, and then you'll see if there's any results. Okay, so what you have to do right now is to make sure you install DirectX end user runtime. Click on download here. This is what you need in order to in order the game to work, or any game to work. We need to have DirectX, so make sure you install this, and then also make sure you install Microsoft Visual C++. Click on this link and download this Microsoft Visual. Alright, and then go to your manufacturer for here. For if that's your manufacturer, your Intel, just click on here, download and install any update that is available. You can also click on GeForce Experience driver. This will automatically update. You can install from here the latest updates, as you can see here, drivers, and from here and drivers, if there's any available driver, as you can see there's available driver right now, click on check for updates to check for latest updates, and then click on download if you want to install the latest driver. Alright, and if that didn't work, make sure you also click on AMD drivers and download this as well, and that's for AMD users. If you don't have an AMD GPU, just don't do it. And now what you have to do is to leave your results in the comment section, and I'm really curious to see if it worked for you guys. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching and take care.